How to delete staff or customer records in AAAPOS RetailManager. Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete staff or customer records in AAAPOS RetailManager. Deleting records helps you clean up unnecessary or incorrect entries in your system. Let's walk through the steps to safely delete these records. Before deleting any records, please keep in mind: you cannot delete a customer if they have any outstanding invoices, laybys, credit notes, gift vouchers, deposits, sales orders, or special orders. Deleting a record is permanent. Once you delete a staff or customer records, it will be permanently removed from the system. Make sure you are deleting the correct record. Important: ensure there are no outstanding transactions before deleting. First, go to the admin menu and select Merge to delete records. The Merge to delete records window will appear. In the Select Records from field, choose whether you want to delete a staff or customer record. Next, enter the staff or customer number in the Old Staff Number field. Alternatively, you can click the search icon and select the record from the list. Click Delete Record. A confirmation message will appear asking you if you're sure you want to delete the record. Click Yes to confirm that you want to permanently delete the record. The record will now be merged into the deleted record. You can continue deleting other records, or close the Merge to Delete Records window by clicking the close icon or pressing Escape. An information window will appear notifying you that your shopfront will close temporarily to complete the deletion process. Make sure no other terminals are connected to the shopfront. Once you're sure, click OK. After the deletion is complete, RetailManager will reopen your shopfront. If you have multiple shopfronts, you'll need to select which one you want to open. The staff or customer record is now permanently deleted from RetailManager. The old number is cleared and can be used for a new record. And that's how you delete staff or customer records in AAAPOS RetailManager. If you have more questions or need assistance, check out our other video tutorials or contact support.